Hello, and welcome to this video demonstration of stream and component locking, a new feature in Rational Team Concert version 6.02. This feature will be available for preview starting with the RTC 6.02 Milestone 1 build. At various times in a product lifecycle, it can be beneficial to prevent change set delivery to some streams and components. RTC 6.02 has a new feature that allows certain users to easily lock streams and components, preventing other users from delivering change sets to them. Locked streams will also prevent the addition, removal, or replacement of components, and the creation of baselines and snapshots. Naturally, only users with the appropriate permission can modify stream and component locks. For our demonstration, we have two users, Karen, a release engineer who should be able to lock components and streams, and Maggie, a developer who should not. Let's begin. Karen, our release engineer, is logged in through this Eclipse client. To speed things up, the release engineer and developer roles have already been created and most of their permissions assigned, including permission to make project area changes. This will allow Karen to make changes to the roles and permissions assignments. Opening the project area, we can see that Karen and Maggie are both members of the Sidewinder project area. Karen has a release engineer role, and Maggie has a developer role. You can read more about creating roles in the RTC documentation. Let's give the release engineer role permission to lock streams and components in our team area. Select the Process Configuration tab, expand the Team Configurations folder, and select Permissions. Select the Release Engineer role, and scroll through the Permitted Actions tree until you find the Source Control Save Stream node. Expand its children until you see the Locking node, and expand the Locking node. We can see the new permission for manipulating stream and component locks, and that it defaults to off. We will grant the new permission to the release engineering role. We can select the developer role and confirm that it does not have permission to manipulate stream and component locks. Save the changes to the project area, and we are ready to go. Our fictional company has just started testing the 5.0 release of their Sidewinder product, and they want to lock the stream to prevent developers from delivering change sets to it. Our release engineer, Karen, will find the stream and apply the lock. In the Team Artifacts Navigator, expand the Sidewinder project area and the Source Control folder. We can see two streams, 5.0 GA and 5.1. We need to lock the 5.0 GA stream. Select the stream, open the context menu, and select Lock. We can see the stream is now locked. Additionally, the product manager has decided that although Sidewinder 5.1 is an active development, the core component is stable, and they want to prevent deliveries to it, while leaving the UI component open. Expand the 5.1 stream, select the core component, open the context menu, and lock the component. Now let's see what our developer Maggie is up to. We see that Maggie has a repository workspace flowing to the 5.0 GA stream with an unresolved change in each of the two components. Maggie can see in the pending changes view that the stream is locked by Karen. Stream and component locks are deliver locks. They only prevent deliveries. So Maggie is free to continue making local changes. She can even check in her changes, since this alters her repository workspace and not the contents of the stream. But when Maggie tries to deliver her changes, the delivery is prevented and an error dialog explains why. The error is also displayed in the Team Advisor view. The code changes Maggie made are also applicable to the 5.1 stream. Let's try and deliver the change sets there. First, she changes the flow target to the 5.1 stream in the Pending Changes view. And attempts to deliver the outgoing changes. RTC warns you when you attempt to deliver to a non-default flow target. We can just continue and see that the delivery is blocked, this time because the core component is locked in the 5.1 stream by Karen. But Maggie also has a UI fix to deliver. In the 5.1 stream, the UI component is not locked, so delivery should be allowed. And it is. Maggie's fix in core is a critical fix that must go into the 5.0 stream. So how can she get her change set delivered? She could ask Karen, the release engineer, to unlock the stream, but this might not be a great idea. Once the stream is unlocked, all developers on the team would be able to deliver change sets to it. There is a better way. A stream or component lock owner can deliver to the stream or component even if it is locked. Of course, the user still needs to have permission to deliver to the team area, but if that user also is the lock owner, they can deliver to the stream or component even if they have locked it. A typical workflow would be for the developer to attach the change set to a work item and ask the release engineer to deliver the critical fix for them. Let's do that. Luckily, there is already a defect opened and assigned to Maggie. She completes her change set so that Karen can accept it and adds her change set to the work item. Then asks Karen to deliver it and assigns a work item to her. Karen opens a work item accepts the change set into her repository workspace, then delivers the change set to the stream. Delivery is successful, even though the stream is still locked by Karen. But what if Karen is on vacation? How can the change be delivered then? Any user with the acquire stream and component lock permission can lock or unlock a stream or component regardless of the current lock owner. In our example, this means that anybody with the release engineering role can lock or unlock streams or components that have been locked by other release engineers. Since Karen is away, Maggie asks backup release engineer Dean to deliver the fix. Dean can find the lock stream, select it, and lock it himself. We can see the stream is now locked by Dean, who can now deliver change sets to the stream. Every time the lock status on a stream or component is changed, a change event is generated. Team members can see those events in the event log in the team dashboard view. This video used the Eclipse client to demonstrate the new stream lock feature, but the feature is also available in the Visual Studio client and the command line interface. Thank you for watching this video demonstration, and we hope that you find this new feature useful and easy to use.